In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view old emails in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. And if you want to view your old emails, a very simple way that you can do this is that you can simply just scroll down until the very end of your emails here in your account. But that will take a long time, especially if you have a lot of emails saved up over the years. Another way that you can view your old emails is you can click this filter or sort option here. Then you can make the sort to be the oldest email on top. When I do that, this is the newest email. Now, when I scroll to the very top, I can now see my oldest email here at the very top over everything. That is a way that you can do it as well, to where you don't have to scroll down and load every single email that is still in your inbox. Or what you can also do is you can use some more advanced features here. What you can do is you can go to the search bar, then you can go ahead and use the filters here to search your old emails. Let's say I want to search in all mailboxes, and then let's go ahead and put in the receive date here. You can just choose a date for when you want to see your old mail. Let's say May 1st, 2025, up until, let's say, December 31st, 2025. There, you can click search, or if you want to be more specific, you can put the subject title, the field, any keywords in the body, and so on. But if not, you can just insert the date, click search, and it will show you all the emails from May 1st up until December 30th of 2025, since that is what we specified in the date selected. And then you could see here, another way, instead of using the search bar, is you can use the search folder. Just go to folder, click new search folder, and from here you can click this one on old mail. And then you can choose a specific time frame where you want to see your old emails. Right now it says older than 1 week, but you can click choose and then you can put the specific time range here, just like the other method. But those are the 3 ways that you guys can view old emails in Outlook. As long as they're not permanently deleted and moved to your trash folder, they will still be there in their inbox, and there is many ways to find them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.